22 meters. Excuse all the dust in the pipe, just been doing some robotic cutting.
How's it look, young Daniel?
The junction that we cut up there to the right. This is one of two of the badly broken sections that was robotically opened up to be able to get the liner through. There's the other side just there, all trimmed up with the cutter. Junction on the left there to be cut. No doubt.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.